Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA X30 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on reset options, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Here your device is again informing you what it will be reset. So let's tap on reset settings, and here we've got the information that this operation cannot be undone. So if you're ready, just tap on reset settings and wait a second. And as you can see, the network settings have been reset successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your NOKIA X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.